Imagine reaching into a simple container, brushing aside soft soil, and pulling out fresh, golden potatoes that you grew yourself. No chemicals, no guesswork, just clean, satisfying harvests from your own home. It might sound like something only experienced gardeners can do, but here's the truth: potatoes are one of the easiest and most rewarding crops you can grow, even if you're a complete beginner living anywhere in the USA. The secret isn't a huge farm or expensive tools. It's understanding how potatoes grow and giving them exactly what they need. Nothing more, nothing less. Once you learn this simple method, you can grow pounds of potatoes in buckets, grow bags, or small backyard spaces with confidence. It all starts with choosing the right planting material. Instead of grocery store potatoes, use certified seed potatoes. These are disease-free and designed specifically for planting. Each potato has eyes, which are small sprouts that grow into new plants. If your seed potatoes are large, you can cut them into pieces, making sure each piece has at least 1 or 2 eyes. Let the cut pieces dry for a day before planting to prevent rot. Timing matters more than most beginners realize. Potatoes prefer cool weather, making early spring the best planting season in most parts of the USA. You can plant as soon as the soil is workable and temperatures stay between 45 degrees and 75 degrees F. In warmer regions, you can even grow them in fall. Now let's talk about containers, the game changer for beginners. You don't need a garden. A simple bucket, grow bag, or large pot works perfectly. Choose a container at least 12–18 inches deep with drainage holes. This allows the potatoes to grow downward and expand freely. The deeper the container, the bigger your harvest potential. Soil is where your success truly begins. Potatoes love loose, well-draining soil that allows tubers to expand easily. A mix of garden soil, compost, and a bit of sand or cocoa coir works perfectly. Avoid heavy clay soil because it restricts growth and can lead to misshapen potatoes. Planting is simple but powerful. Start by filling your container with about 4–6 inches of soil. Place your seed potato pieces on top, eyes facing upward, and cover them with another 3–4 inches of soil. As the plant grows, you will continue adding soil in a process called hilling. This is the secret technique that increases your yield dramatically. Light plays a key role in healthy growth. Potato plants need at least 6–8 hours of sunlight daily. Place your containers in a sunny spot where they receive consistent light. Strong sunlight helps the plant produce energy, which directly affects the size and number of potatoes underground. Watering is where many beginners either succeed or fail. Potatoes need consistent moisture, especially during tuber formation. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist, not dry, not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. During hot weather, you may need to water more frequently. Inconsistent watering can lead to cracked or uneven potatoes, so consistency is key. As your potato plants grow taller, you'll notice green stems and leaves reaching upward. When the plants are about 6–8 inches tall, add more soil around the base, covering most of the stem but leaving the top leaves exposed. Repeat this process as the plant grows. This encourages the plant to produce more tubers along the buried stem, increasing your harvest. Feeding your plants properly will boost your results. Potatoes benefit from a balanced fertilizer early on. Once tubers start forming, switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium. This supports root and tuber development. Organic options like compost tea or well-rotted manure work beautifully. Unlike many plants, potatoes don't require heavy pruning, but removing damaged or yellowing leaves helps keep the plant healthy. Focus on maintaining strong, green growth, as this is what fuels the underground harvest. Now let's address common problems so you can avoid frustration. If your plants look healthy but produce very few potatoes, the issue is often insufficient hilling or poor soil quality. Make sure you're adding soil as the plant grows and using loose, nutrient-rich soil. If leaves turn yellow too early, it could be overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering schedule and consider adding compost or fertilizer. Pests like potato beetles can appear. You hand picking them or using natural sprays like neem oil can keep them under control without harming your plants. If potatoes turn green, it means they were exposed to sunlight. Always keep tubers covered with soil to prevent this. Harvesting is the most exciting part of the journey. You can start harvesting new potatoes when the plants begin to flower. For full-sized potatoes, wait until the foliage turns yellow and dies back. Gently dig into the soil and uncover your harvest. It feels like a treasure hunt every single time. One of the most satisfying things about growing potatoes is the abundance. From just a few seed potatoes, you can harvest pounds of fresh produce. And because you're growing them yourself, you know exactly how they were grown: clean, natural, and healthy. This method works whether you have a backyard, a patio, or just a small balcony. It's proof that you don't need a big garden to grow your own food. You just need the right approach. Growing potatoes isn't just about food. It's about self-sufficiency, learning new skills, and experiencing the joy of watching something grow from start to finish. It's about turning a small space into something productive and meaningful. So, if you've ever thought, I can't grow my own food, let this be your moment to start. Grab a container, plant your seed potatoes, and follow this simple method. You'll be amazed at what you can grow. Learn how to grow potatoes at home with this beginner-friendly guide. Discover easy container methods, watering tips, and secrets to harvesting big, healthy potatoes. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture. Hub your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.